Hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Oaktree TV. I'm Dave Kemp and today I want to talk about the most interesting thing I read this week, which was an article out of the Verge titled "Wireless Headphones Are Improving Faster Than Anything Else in Tech." So I thought this was interesting because it's all tied to this philosophy that the CEO of 3D Robotics, Chris Anderson, has coined as being the peace dividends of the smartphone war. And what he means by that is because of the massive proliferation of smartphones and the economies of scale from Apple and Google and all the companies that are driving the scale at which we have our smartphones, all of the components housed inside the smartphones are significantly cheaper due to these economies of scale. So you think about the sensors, the GPS, the core processors, the battery, the memory, all the things that are housed in various consumer electronics products are benefiting from these economies of scale. So you think about wireless headphones, you think about hearables, you even think about hearing aids. A lot of those same components that are used in these devices are driving down significantly in cost. And because of that, we're seeing rapid innovation in some of these different consumer electronic areas like wireless headphones. So it's a really great article to read. I think it has some underlining implications for hearing aids and hearables like I mentioned, but something worth checking out. So thanks a lot for watching.